Enid, Mommy's gonna take a bite. Nom, 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 nom. Have a bite. Tell the camera what you think of your chicken dinner. Is that good? Is that good?
Do you not like that?
Well, that went down. Here we go. Another bite.
No, no more bites?
Come on, little vegetarian. Have another one. Oh, it's chicken and tomatoes and spinach. Yummy. Have a bite. Have a bite. There we go.
Oh, it's so good for the camera.
Yeah, maybe we're a good girl when we're on film, huh? Oh, is that delicious?
Do you like that, Enid?
Oh, the camera's working.
Yeah.
I thought we'd get that fun little gagging face. Come here.
Oh, now you're just showing off.
We have a future star in our midst.
You'll do anything when the camera's on, won't you?
You're a ham. You're a ham. And now you're eating chicken. Take a bite. Oh, well, that's good. That's a good start. Come on. Let's try this one. Ready? Num, 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 num. Delicious. That is so funny. For the record, camera, she was pulling off her bib before and making gagging faces.
I will testify to that too.
Here, let me see it. She's going like this. That's what she was doing. All right, big bite. Num, 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 num. Num, 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 num. Let's have another one.